What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel that gets back to the hood, so you know what's good. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. Now let's get to it. Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, host of the channel Kicks and Beats. If you're new to the channel, hit like and subscribe. This is a channel that gets back to the hood, so you know what's good. Monthly giveaways, that's really what we do here. Now, I got another shoe to show you guys here today. This is the Yeezy 450, the colorway. We'll take a look at this, see how the color is, and I'll let you know my thoughts and opinions regarding the color. I'm just really interested in seeing Sulfur, this colorway right here. So let's take a look, and shout out to GOAT for the stubby because it did terrible in the market. I was able to place a bid for $156 and it got accepted. I think the total came out to like about 170, 171, something like that. But let's go take a look nonetheless. At the time of this upload, if you take a look at GOAT, you will still see great prices for this shoe. Just letting you guys know. Alright, so this is 450 Sulfur. Let's take a look at this shoe. Whoa. Made in Germany. This silhouette in general is made out in Germany. Oh, this is pretty cool, guys. You know what this color reminds me of a little bit? Kind of reminds me of the Yeezy 350 V2 Marsh. It kind of does. It's not exactly the same, but it's real similar, honestly. Real similar to that. I like this. It kind of reminds me of like, not really like an egg, like the center of an egg, the yolk, but I don't know. It's like a yellow hue of some sort. I've heard some people mention green. I don't really see too much green in it. I mean, I can see why they're saying that, but it doesn't really look that green to me, guys. It's kind of like a yellow of some sort. This is a pretty decent colorway if you ask me. I think it's going to stay in the collection, honestly. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Do you guys own a pair? If not, do you plan on getting a pair? Like I said, go on GOAT right now. The prices are looking good. And this sole right here, it's looking a little translucent. Looks pretty translucent. I like that. It's a nice touch. For those who don't know, this silhouette, it feels tight around the collar area. Yeah, around the collar area, just to let you guys know ahead of time. And you can go and purchase your Yeezy size, which is basically half a size up from your true to size. Keep that in mind, folks. You always want to go half a size up from your true to size when it comes to this brand. And when it comes to certain silhouettes, maybe even a whole size up, maybe even a size and a half. But for this right here, you can go half a size up. If you try to go an entire size up just to make this section here more loose, just letting you know right now, it's pointless. It's still going to feel tight. You might as well take the size that you're supposed to take. Well, there's not too much to show you. This is simplicity at its finest, if you ask me. I mean, unique touch what they did here with the midsole, but for the most part, this is a pretty basic shoe, you know? Let's show you the inside real quick, like the insole. This does not contain boost, guys, but it's still pretty damn comfortable, to be honest. They use some sort of foam for this. See if you can take a look inside the foam. You see that foam? I think it's time to show you guys that on feet look. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so once again, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Does it look nice on feet and whatnot? Do you want to cop it now that you've seen this video, in case you haven't gotten it yet? Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Like I said, this is staying in the collection for sure. I've never had a Sulfur colorway for any shoe. This is the first one right here, and I'm digging it. It's a nice color, honestly. Now I gotta find some attire to actually go with this. But yeah, stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna have some more shoes to review. Probably not this week, probably not next week. Who knows? We'll see. I do want to get that new 700 V3. what's it called? Fade Carbon, something like that. Yeah, definitely want to get my hands on those. They're supposed to drop soon. I believe tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we'll see what happens with that as well. It's your boy Broadway J, host of Kicks and Beats, and I'm out. Peace, yo.